in the bus, the former president actually acceded and said, sige na, alis na tayo. And you saw that on video.
Well, nakita namin, diba, hinihila mo yung upuan. Hindi ba dapat, talagang General Torre, kailangan makinig ka doon sa sinasabi ng abogado? Di ba karapatan nun?
I have already arrested, I even arrested E.S. Medialdea, ma'am, for obstruction of justice and placed handcuffs on him. That was already the last parts because masyado ng gabi, aabutin na kami ng umaga doon, ma'am.
Ilang oras na, 2 oras pa lang, ikalalanding lang ng Hong Kong ng alas 10, alas 2 pa lang to.
12 hours, ma'am.
Kaya nga, anong oras to? Kasi sabi mo kanina, 10 o'clock.
Mga 8 o'clock yan, ma'am. Yung kay Delgra.
O, anong oras na yun?
Mga 8 o'clock yan, ma'am.
Sa umaga na yan? Gabi?
7 o'clock, 8 o'clock ng gabi na yan, ma'am.
8 a.m. Ay, 8 p.m.
Yes,
gano'ng katagal na yon?
10 hours, ma'am. 9 hours.
Naka 9 to 10 hours na. So, sa palagay mo, si former president had sufficient chance to challenge na the validity of the arrest. So, sinasabi ninyo na 9 to 10 hours na yan. Kasi nakuha niya yung warrant nung alas 12 mahigit. Hating gabi lampas, ano? Tapos...
Tanghali, ma'am. Tanghali, ma'am. Niya nakuha ang
okay, warrant. Tapos... Tumagal pa sila ng ilang oras?
11 hours.
Ng 11 hours, sinasabi po ninyo?
Yes, ma'am. They attempted to serve the warrant at when they disembarked. They asked that it be deferred until they reached 250. Upon reaching 250, they asked for some refreshments and they cooled down. Upon being more calm and after conferring with their lawyers, the warrant of arrest was served in toto, in full. And their rights were done.
So sa tingin ninyo, itong 9 to 10 hours sapat na para sa isang pangkaraniwang tao na makakuha